So at this part now, this is a little shop where they sell souvenirs, books, figurines, and everything related about 47 Ronin.
うん。
Earring.
Those origami. Those look nice.
So this is the entrance of the 47 Ronin Graveyard. So ito yung pinaka-entrance niya. Tapos ito yung history written dyan sa board na yan. Diyan mo makikita yung kung saan banda yung tawag dito, yung graveyard. Tapos may shrine din sila doon. Kahit saang sulok ka ng Japan, may makikita ka talaga mga sakura tree. Yan, yun nga lang yung part dito ng sakura dito, wala pang bulaklak. Tapos ayan, dyan banda, malapit lang yun siya. May mga pa konti-konting bulaklak na pero iba pa rin yung nasa Ueno, mas marami doon.
English. There's for two.
Yes,
For two.
that was for 2.
Yeah. First
No,
stick.
you want that? I just paid an entrance fee, right? Yeah. You want sticks?
I don't know.
We already getting.
Yeah, the entrance fee is just this, right? That's additional. If you guys want
If you
to
want
stick,
this,
that's
yes.
additional.
You want-
Okay.
すみません、こちら
こちらから先がですね、すいません。こちらから先がお一人様300円のお線香代っていうのを頂戴しておりまして。あ、どうぞ。
Minsan ang hirap talaga magipag-usap sa mga Japanese kasi nga hindi sila lahat marunong alam mo kahit yung basic English lang na para magkaintindihan kayo. So yung mga stick na yan, insenso yan. So iikutin namin yung 47 graveyard dyan, tapos lalagyan namin ng incense. Hindi ko mabilang kung ilang incense yan, pero ang pagkakaintindi ko kasi sabi niya, sa bawat graveyard, yung tomb, lalagyan ng isa. Pero ang dami-dami kasing stick, kaya ang ginawa ko, may isa, may dalawa, may 5 akong nilagay.
Go. Put it properly.
Thank you. Oh, shit.
Medyo natagalan kami dito sa side na to kasi nga, iba, inikot namin yung 47 na yan, tapos tinignan ko pa talaga yan isa-isa yung mga age nila. Yung pinakabata na members ng 47 running is 16 years old siya. Tapos yung pinakamakatanda is 70 plus.